Okay, currently testing this flyback. Well, ignore that. It's actually a lot more than that. That's what it originally used to be. But there's my homespun wounds with secondary coil. Everything leading up to a nice little high voltage driver. I finally rigged up a little system here for swapping out batteries for power supplies, since I'm trying to figure out what's going to be better. And this is a whole lot easier than desoldering off these two wires a million times. So I can just interchange out little plugs that connect to batteries, but currently using this battery. Went to a little cordless drill system that I never had. I got two of these batteries in the charger. But yeah, let me get this thing set up and zoomed in so you can see, because I'm not going to be holding the camera and this thing at the same time. Let's see if I can do this quicker than the last one I did. A little higher. That should be good. See if I can get back without bumping it. Nope. Try something different angle. Still got this shit in front of the door. Okay. Smell that? Smells like science.